Why not try making a colorful and nutritious smoothie bowl? Blend your favorite fruits and veggies together, pour it into a bowl, and top it with granola, nuts, or seeds for the perfect morning pick-me-up. Or how about creating your own homemade breakfast bars? Mix together oats, nuts, dried fruits, and honey, press it into a pan, and bake it for a delicious and convenient breakfast on the go. If you're feeling adventurous, why not experiment with savory breakfast options? Try making a breakfast burrito with scrambled eggs, veggies, and cheese wrapped in a tortilla, or whip up a batch of savory oatmeal with toppings like avocado, bacon, and a poached egg. And let's not forget about the classic pancake stack. Get creative with different flavors and toppings like fresh berries, chocolate chips, or even a dollop of peanut butter. With these creative ideas, you'll never have a boring breakfast again. So why not give them a try and kickstart your day with a delicious and exciting meal? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more breakfast inspiration.